Okay, so I'm headed to Mass this morning. This was like totally kind of my fault. It's only a mile from the hostel, so since I've taken now like 2.5 days, it's no biggie to warm up my legs a little bit, and I'm kind of going a little bit early. But yeah, it's my fault. I wasn't expecting to be in this town, so I didn't call the church or anything like that. So, but yeah, headed to Mass after 2.5 days of rest. So, yeah, things don't go as planned. This is just how life goes, and yep, I decided to go a little early before it gets too hot. So, but there's kind of a big hill right now. But yeah, it's just a mile, and just going to take it easy. It's a city street. So, anyways, bye. Started uphill. See that? That's not rain. That's sweat. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Virginia's flat. Virginia's flat. You don't get a lot of miles in Virginia. Lies. That was... See, look. That was hard. I have 2 hard climbs today, and I started really late. So today might be my first day of night hiking. Because I have a reservation at the hostel, which is like now 12 miles away, and it's past 2. It's like 2:30. I still have 12 miles to go. Okay. Hopefully I can make these downhill speedy fast. Maybe. But yeah, that was a big climb, and I have a bigger climb coming up. And maybe I'll take a screenshot of that nice climb I got and show it on here. Ooh, what a brilliant way to start off. But yeah, woo, that's a weird bug. Go away. Anyway, anyways, bye. Okay, I'm about to climb 5 miles up 2,100 feet. That's right. Yeah, this is the big doozy. So, I'm really not looking forward to it. Oh, I haven't had one of these in a while. But, I gotta get up this hill. So, and I have like no service, and I don't know if I can make it to the hostel. The hostel's like another 1.5 miles from the shelter. So, oh gosh, I don't know if I can make it. I don't have service to call them, so, because I won't make it to the Gap probably until 9 o'clock, and I really don't want to be hiking that long, but I might have to. And then it's like 3/4 of a mile up the road. Yeah. So, not looking forward to that one. So, that's going to take like another 30 minutes. So, by the time I actually get to this hospital, it won't be until like 9:30, 9:45. Maybe even 10. That's scary thunder. Alright, today might have been the first day I was actually super scared. I was caught in that thunderstorm, and there's no place to go. No shuttles, nothing. So, with the little bar service that I had, I asked the hospital if they could possibly pick me up at this one crossing, but it was an hour and a half from them. And so I was so worried. Like, I did cry. It's probably like my second or third cry of the Appalachian Trail, like hard cry. And so I just thankfully she just texted me, and I'm glad I called to let somebody around know where I was. And I texted her saying, you know, I'll text her when I get to the shelter. But yeah, oh gosh, I'm a little flustered right now. But looks like the storms have passed. But that was super scary. Super scary. I just got wet. I had my umbrella, you know, down, and because it was lightning and thundering, and you heard the thunder. So I just decided to get wet. I don't know if I should stay at the shelter or just continue on, because it's downhill from the shelter, and oh man, things have not been well.